guys, welcome back to my channel, The Appalachian Home. So today I'm in my dining room, and in this video I thought it might be fun to go ahead and show you guys how I did a complete makeover of my dining room. We did put up new shiplap walls, and these come from Lowe's, but most of this decor I already had or made myself. Like the sign behind me is something you can make yourself using the vinyl that you see in my videos and just a regular rabbit style frame. I'll link those either down below or up here at the top of your screen if you want to check those out. But we'll go ahead and I'll show you the process I went through to completely redo my dining room. My decor is never finished. I always change my decor regularly, but for right now this is what it looks like, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So after I removed the outer layer of paneling, I discovered that there was another layer behind this, and this house is really old. It was actually my grandparents' house. And I thought about taking it down also, but then I thought it just adds an extra layer of insulation. So I'm just going to leave it for now. This is just a quick update to this room. So I'm just going to leave it and put the new shiplap over top of this. I was able to reuse the molding that was around the bottom of the floor, and it's just 1x4 boards that I got from Lowe's. I'm just going to repaint them after I repaint all of the shiplap once it's up. And the actual shiplap that I'm using also came from Lowe's. It was really pretty inexpensive, like $5 for an 8-foot piece. I'll try to put a picture of it here on the screen. But I ended up getting about 47 pieces that were 8 foot long to do this entire room. wanted to make some wooden plate holders or placemats. I don't really know what they're called. And I thought since we had these logs, I would try to make some myself. So I got my husband just to cut me 4 1-inch slits out of a log, and I'm gonna sand them down and see how it works. So now I'm finished with all of the walls, all of the molding. So now I'm going to start putting up the decor, and I'm going to start with this sign. Actually, this sign I made here at home using the rabbit style frame video. I used black chalk paint, white vinyl, and Minwax Jacobine stain. You can also make these letters. I'll link the video up on the top of the screen also. These are really simple and just so easy to make. And now I'm going to use the rest of my decor that I have just around my house. I'm going to be putting that up also. These plates I actually found at an estate sale, and I'm going to use some IKEA napkins that I just had, and I tied them up using this scrap piece of cloth. So that's what I'm going to use as my place settings. I just found these, I believe, at TJ Maxx, so I'm going to lay these across the table, and they just came in a 4-pack of these little towels, and I'm going to use those as a table runner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you back again in a couple days with a new video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I want to thank all my subscribers for watching all of my videos, and I'll see you next time.